Very good touch. Kunti ka naman injured si Johnny. Pinasa sa Tagalogong ang bola. Dati na ang injured. Umabot sa Tagalogong bola. Si Faith is on the ball. Alright, so for this, second practice. Alright, 1.4, House of Harmony! 1 point to House of Harmony, bawi tayo.
Hold your own cup, you're not allowed to hold the string, the other hand must be behind your back. Any questions? Okay.
Paano gagawin?
Go for it.
Laban na hindi natutumba yung na hindi pwedeng hawain.
Can't slap the face. You knock. You cannot knock the cups of your own team members. You have to knock off the cup of the opposite team. Yeah. No slapping, no violence. You'll be out if there's aggression.
Bigla sinampal.
11 players each team. You cannot tie it behind your ears. It has to be at the front. In front of your ears.
Make sure that each group have 11 members. Alright, so gets nyo na yung mechanics, diba? So, attention everyone, attention. So before we start the game, please notice that the cones are on the 4 corners of an imaginary square. So we have 4 corners, and then make sure that when we start the game, you will not go outside the imaginary square. Meron tayong imaginary square dyan. So ang rule, kailangan nyo lang tanggalin yung cup na hindi nyo kagrupo, no? So hindi nyo kagrupo. Otherwise, gusto nyo tanggalin yung sa kagrupo. So how are we going to know who's the winner? This is Jenny.
They'll be rocked. So kapag naubos na yung court sila, pag naubos yung green turn yun. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, okay, good.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
Sudden death. 11 players. 11 players.
So,
May matanda.
before we start, please remove all the things inside the square, like those shoes, the balls, other cups.
The playing area is in between the cones, the square.
Bawal. Alright. Ate, ang tagal nyo naman. Kaya ba ito yan?
Are there 11 players?
Oh, bigyan natin yung isa pang cup sa atin. Yellow. Ito po. Team leaders, please check na 11 yung members ha. 11. Sino yung kasali? Nagugulo lang. Mamaya pag na hindi yung malalaki pa ako. Alright, ready? Ay, Ate Angel. Aba.
Nasunog na.
Pang ilan na yan?
Nagre-reklamo na, tama na.
Ayan. Akala ko pa naman. Alright, so we will proceed on the second game and Dragao will explain the mechanics of the second game. So for the next game, we have Sis Glenn and Sis Jenny as our game facilitator. So our next game is called Knock the Cups. So they'll be explaining the mechanics after they've gotten our materials. O, di ba napagod kayo? Ibig sabihin yan, kulang kayo sa cardio. So our next activity is fun run. Explain.
Go lahat ng kabataan. Ate. Hindi, okay lang. Basta kabataan. Baka hikain natin.
Ready? In the count of three. In the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Attack! Bagban lang, tapos na yung roll the ball.
Gagabihin tayo rito. Pag... Hapon, di naman madaling araw.
Last 40 seconds. Attack! Alright, so please read this down how many cups are still up next. So, alright, good game, GG. So let's please count how many cups are still up. Ten for Wisdom. 4 for Bawek. 4 for House of Integrity. And for House of Courage 10. House of Harmony 9. Alright.
We're going to introduce a rule. You cannot attack. You have to walk around the area. In 3, 2, 1. No. You have to walk around. No attacking.
No attacking.
Go
Ayan. Sorry. One minute and 30 seconds. Brad Alonso, Brad sa green team. Go! Game 2. Game 2 remaining cups for House of Yellow Team. 1 for blue. Over here, 1 for blue.
Okay, everybody needs to meet in the middle. Walk towards the middle in 3, 2, 1.
Grabe, physical lang talaga.
Tagal matapos, nangangalay na ako.
Let's have a recount of how many cups are still up. Yung mga petition, kaya natin
Harmony.
how many cups for this one? 2, 2, 3,
Kunti na lang.
1. Wisdom and therefore
Ba, katayo pa yung kay Junior ah. Mukhang di sumusugod ah. Nalay na ako. Ubus na yung film ko.
House of Drum! Congratulations! House of Wisdom have the answer. center ba?
Ako rin eh.
Yan,
Umaya.
okay. Ready, championship round.
Ayan na si Ella. Ay, wala.
Lagi tandaan, walang tatawa.
It's a prank. Five lang. Five na lang. 5-5. 5-5. 5-5. Are you sure? Alright, green versus blue. In a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yun na. Pag humiga na sila, mahirap na tibagin yun. Ang kabila.
Sobra sila eh.
Dalawa isa.
Alright, and then, for the
Basta humiga, wala na. Mahirapan na yun.
Wala kalaban, nag-draw po yung kanina.
So, paano yun?
Draw na po sila.
Draw. Sa boys, draw, and then ang winner natin sa girls ay
Courage.
Courage. Congratulations, House of Courage. You won the game.
Special game with server.
And then, I'm gonna give the microphone now to our servants, to Brajay and Sisyana.